Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. It's Sheikh Abdul Aziz, your English teacher, teaching you English. I welcome you for your course of 9th standard. Inshallah, from today we are going to start your textbook. So please take out your textbook and open it at page number 3. It's your first poem, Life. What is life? Philosophically, some people believe life is full of sorrows only, sadnesses only, difficulties only. Some say life is full of pleasure, life is full of happinesses. But here in this poem, the poet says life is the mixture of both pleasure and sorrow. Life witnesses pleasure after pleasure, sorrow, sorrow after pleasure. The main theme of the poem is motivation. Motivation that tells us that whenever difficulties in life come, we should face them courageously, because when the time of pleasure passes away, the time of sorrow will also not stay forever in our life. One day it will also pass away. The poet seems to claim that sorrows and difficulties of lives are more important than pleasure, because you cannot enjoy sorrows, you cannot enjoy pleasure, you cannot enjoy happinesses in your life in real sense until you taste sorrows, difficulties. I give you an example. When you are very hungry, very hungry, even a substandard food will taste very good. But when you are not hungry at all, even the best food will not taste you. So just like that, when we go through difficulties, difficulties enhance the taste of our pleasure. So whenever sorrows come in our life, don't worry, they come in your life to make your pleasure multiple. Now let's begin reading of the poem with the explanation of difficult word, unfamiliar words. Life. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Now, the meaning of the word sages is wise people. The people who are considered wise in our society, they are called sages. Sages also means a religious scholar who has spent his life in reading, and after reading who has become very much learned and wise. So sages means wise person, religious learned, etc., etc. So in these two line, the poet says, the poet says, life is not so sorrowful as those scholars say. It is full of pleasure also. Oft, here the word oft is the poetic form of often. Many times the poet used this special form of the word to beautify their poem. Oft means often. A little morning rain foretells. Fore means before, tell means speak. So foretells means to speak in advance, to say what is going to happen in future. So oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day, pleasant, full of happiness. These two lines mean many times when rain comes. Rain here represents sorrows, difficulties. So many times rain or sorrow, they tell us pleasant day is going to come. When it's very hot, it rains, after the rain stops, what happens? The weather turns pleasant. So just like that, when difficulties come in our life, after those difficulties come to an end, we develop many abilities, many capabilities, and we make ourselves able to face difficulties. And because of making ourselves able to face difficulties, our life becomes more pleasant. So that is why in this two line, the poet says many times when difficulties come in our life, we become better. So difficulties tell us in future we are going to have more enjoyable life. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Gloom means sadness, but these are transient all. Transient means those things which exist only for a very short period of time, they are called transient. So here in these two lines, the poet accepts our life has sorrows also, sadnesses also, but don't worry, these sorrows, these sadnesses, these unpleasant moments, they are not going to stay here forever. They are going to stay here for a very short period of time. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Lament to show sadness over something, to show that you are not happy with something, that is called lament. In these two lines, the poet says, shower, a round of a particular period of rain, it is called shower, shower of. So when it rains, we cannot go out, we cannot enjoy, we cannot play, we cannot go to office, so we face difficulties. But after the rain stops, we see greenery all around. Even roses bloom. Roses, they become fresh. So after rain, what happens? The atmosphere becomes very pleasant. So writer says, so difficulties are just like that round of shower, that round of rain. When it is happening, we may have difficulties, but after the difficulty is over, our life becomes more pleasant. So why do you call this shower bad? Why do you call these difficulties bad? These difficulties have become reason for a more pleasurable life. Rapidly, merrily. Rapidly means fast. Merrily means happily. Life's sunny hours flit by. The word flit means a short movement, but that is very fast. Short movement that takes place over a very short distance, but it takes place in a very fast manner. That is called flit. So flit by means here pass. So our life has sunny hour here means happy moments of life. So we know, we experience that whenever we are happy, the time passes very fast. Whenever we are sad, the same amount of time seems to pass very slow. Once I was going to another city, I was all alone. It was very boring, so the time did not pass, means I was getting bored, I was not happy, so it seemed that the time was passing very slow. But while but when I was on my way back to Akola, I met a person there. I talked to that person, and that person was very interesting. So I enjoyed his company. So same amount of time, same period of time, means I went to that city and I returned from that city. The same time amount of time was required, but the time passed very fast. In the first place, when I was going, I was alone, I was getting bored. The same amount of time seemed very long, but when I was returning, I had the company of a very interesting person. So the same amount of time seemed to pass very fast. So just like that, happy moment, the moment of pleasure, it seems that they pass very fast. Merrily means because we are happy. Gratefully, cheerily. Gratefully means thanking to God, thanking to Allah. Cheerily, enjoying in a enjoying manner. Enjoy them as they fly. Fly means here pass. So writer here says, the poet here says, when happy moments come in our life, they seem to pass very fast. Don't worry. Enjoy them. Enjoy and say thank to Allah and enjoy them as they pass. Fly means pass fast. Don't worry about it. What though that at times steps in and calls our best away? Now, it is the reality of life. The second side of life is death. Every human being, every life has to taste death. Every house, deaths occur. So, letter says many times it happens that people die, family members die. It is the truth of life. What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? Sway means influence, controlling. Letter says, yes, it also happens when death occurs, it seems that sorrow, sadnesses have won the hope, have suppressed hope. Now there is no hope of pleasure. And it seems that sorrow has taken the control of hope, means pleasure. But what happens? Yet hope again elastic spring. Elastic means, have you seen elastic? Is elastic, the material elastic has the capacity to come back to its original state very easily. When you apply pressure on elastic, it changes its shape. But when the pressure is removed, what happens? It takes its original shape again. So just like that, at that time when we are under sorrowful situations, we become distressed, we become tense. But as soon as those situations go away, we become normal again. It is because of hope. Unconquered though she fail. Hope, unconquered means something that nothing can defeat is called unconquered. So hope cannot be defeated in real sense. Yes, though she fail, sometime it seems that hope has lost, but actually it has not lost. It will come back again. Still buoyant are her golden wings. Buoyant means things which are able to fly very smoothly in the sky are called buoyant. But here buoyant means able to become dominant, able to win. Writer says yes, it seems that the hope has been defeated, but it cannot be defeated at all in real sense. It still has the capacity to be dominant, to win. Still means even now, buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Bear us well means to control us, to take care of us, means hope can still take care of us. Manfully, fearlessly, manfully, courageously, just like a man, fearlessly without fearing. The day of trial, bear. Trial means, day of trial means difficult situations. Bear, tolerate. Writer now gives advice in these four lines. He says that to defeat hopelessness, to control difficulties, problems of life, certain qualities are required. That is manfulness, fearlessness. So these two qualities you have to put into yourself, you have to inculcate in yourself. Then you will be able to face, to tolerate, to get over the difficult situation of life. 4. Gloriously. Gloriously means in a splendor manner, in a great manner. Victoriously. Victoriously means just like winner. Can courage quell despair? Quell, remove. Despair, hopelessness. Writer says you have to bring these qualities in yourself.